against Putin, against
Okay.
policy.
We are for the Russian people. We are for the Russian people. I want to meet President Putin to discuss the persecution of LGBT people. Decrees. Yes. Okay, we go now. Спасибо.
Саня.